So, hello everyone. Let's see the another reason for error occurring into the C language. So, yeah, hi. Yes, sorry. Let's just see the next reason, not using the const where needed. Let's just see what is, first of all, what is const, okay? So, users are generally not using the const keyword wherever it's required, right? Which is really causing the errors. In C, const keyword declares a variable whose value cannot be changed after the initialization. So this stays at the thing of variability. Not variability, okay? Here the things are fixed if we are talking about the constant keyword, okay? It's used to define constant, ensuring that their values remain fixed throughout the program execution. A const variable is effectively a read-only variable, preventing accidental or intentional modification. As we discussed, okay, clearly the meaning of constant, if we would just not think as in the point of view for programming, constant, that means something that is fixed, right? So similarly here, const word would be required in the programming where you don't want any of the changes, okay? Any of the modifications. In that scenario, you need to use the const keyword. Const tells the compiler that variables value shouldn't change. Using it improves the code safety. Okay. Of course, if something is not changing, you are making it fixed. This is, of course, going to make the data safer, right? Readability, of course, and can even optimize the performance. Okay. So make sure that whatever the variable values are fixed, make sure that you guys are going to use the const word. Okay. Make sure that you have the enough practice to use the const word. Otherwise, you would be again leading towards the error. Okay. For example, if a function takes a string, it doesn't modify, declare it as const char, right? It's very simple. If you're gonna do simply only char, somewhere somewhere in the program, it have the chances of modification. So if you would just add the const word before it will fix the position of char. Okay. This prevents accidental changes and helps you with debugging. Okay, so this is the logical thing. If you're going to use out the const word before any variable, that variable's value is going to be fixed. You cannot change out throughout the program, right? And this would lead towards the safety, readability, decency of the program. I hope, guys, this is a useful information for you. And in case if you have any questions, do let me know. So yeah, thank you so much for your time and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.